Well, hello everybody. Today I'm taking you on a little bit of a tour. Hold up. Turn the light on. And I'm plugging my computer. Besides that, I just had a really big problem with the boys. My boys last night. And so I've been holiday special. I couldn't make it because I was busy with my development. But it should be done. So let me show you around. So basically, how you get there is you just basically type in this URL and we direct you to the videos page using our anime action. What that's supposed to do is it makes the account system work. That's what it's meant to do. So you can upload anything. You can create your characters. You can just pretty much do all that. You could do your Adam, but that won't be possible. But you can do whiteboard character creators. Because I kind of made the video maker a little bit of a business theme. So here's the old video maker, except it's not fully updated yet. The buttons are big. It's not supposed to be because the 2017 model of the video maker. You want to create a character, sure you can do that. And you can just basically browse the characters you want to create, but that doesn't work in Swimjet. I don't know why. But what you can do is, how you do is, you do and type equals sky. And if you go on there, you'll notice a little bit of old situation here. So basically, you're just stuck with a whiteboard animation character creator. Well, let me show you how to fix that. So what you're going to do is, you're going to go to this link over here, which has something to do with our anime actions once again. .club.com/js/Vyond/character/codes. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna bring up the code. So if you want number one, you just click here, and it'll bring up the codes. Yeah, some of you already know how to do this since you all used CV and Maker before on Vyond. Yeah, some of you already know how to do this, and some of you have used Vyond's CV and Maker before it shut down. So you basically know how to do all that stuff. So what you do here is you're going to copy the code, CTLC, and let our character creator. You're going to inspect your elements. You're going to the console. You're going to paste the code you got. You're going to click enter, and it should bring up your Atom character creator. That's what it's meant to do. There you go, guys. You have your Atom loading. So you just basically create him the way you want. You can just basically do all this sort of kind of stuff. Yeah, you know me. You're just basically a rescue type of person. You can make Caillou. Use this appropriate as you can make Caillou. You can just basically do all that stuff. You can click Caillou. Yeah, if you want to do it. And if you want for Eve, you have to load your elements again. You have to reload the page. Do the same thing like last time, except you're going to change a couple of things in the console. You're going to paste the code, And then when you load something different, you go backspace it and change it to Eve. And what that's gonna do is, it's gonna bring up an Eve, kill the creator. Every go, you have an Eve kill the creator. And once you say that, it will redirect you to your videos page. Now mind, it's redirecting you to the Our Animate. Don't worry, I'll get that fixed. Not sure why it does that, but okay. And then you're gonna make a video. It's gonna bring you to the video maker. You can, this is Comedy World. Actually, this is whiteboard animation. You can select that. Yeah, I just have no idea why it doesn't like. And style. If you do that, it will redirect you to Vyond 2019. And it will bring this up. So then you just click on one this time, and it will bring up the Vyond loading screen. It will bring up the Vyond loading. This is a so far of a tour. That's what this is. This is so far. And what that's gonna do is, it's gonna load Comedy World, and boom. It loads it for you. It's like you call Comedy World back. And see that there's an Eve character. You use your voice. You do anything you want with the character. You just do text to speech. Female. You use any voice you want and try to work on a fix. So y'all can use all the voices you want. Try my best to do the fix. But right now the only voices that are available is Julie. Like say, hi, my name is Julie. My name is Julie. And I like to make grounded videos. I like to make grounded videos. Out of the bell. Anything, yeah, you can say anything like that, like. Hold on, my volume's turned off, let me turn it up.
Thank you. Thanks for your phone. Run, Cody, run! Thief, take my phone. Run, Cody, run!
Hold on, that's just my SML, I do apologize.
Hi, my name is Julie and I like to make grounded videos out of Little Bill.
You just basically say that. You can preview it wherever you want to. I mean, I want to tell you, right now the voices do not work. So if you try using the voices, it will just basically load. Don't worry, I'm trying my best here to get this fixed. I mean, I know you guys want the voices back. Currently, this is being fixed. And I'm taking care of it. So yeah, I'm not sure why anybody wants this fixed, but right now, cannot be fixed. And about the importer, that doesn't work either. You see, the importer doesn't work because I'm trying to figure out a JavaScript code which should give me a check mark, and then the support thingy allows me to add the video thingy to the scene. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out a JavaScript code right now. I'm just trying to figure it out, that's all. Right now I really have nothing in mind. But don't worry, it won't be an issue. Then you can just test your video out. Or any of that. You can put your Julie voice back. I'll fix that. Boom. You just click the undo button, or redo. That's why it's also up there. You click the undo or redo. And the closer does not work on Swimjet. Still works, but it doesn't work. The only way to get back is you're gonna have to delete all this, which will get to your videos. It will use a path which will allow you to get to your which will allow you to get to your videos. And then here's the LVP. I created this little LVP for you guys so that you guys can feel like you got the old Grammy back. You got your date, description. I don't know why that says unidentified, but I'll get this sorted out. You gotta share video pop-ups, so if you want to embed your video, then you can do that. Sure, Action Anime supports that. Just keep in mind that your video may be deleted because this is Heroku. I'm just not sure why. Maybe there's some kind of plan that prevents the apps from going to sleep. But don't worry, we'll get to that later. Right now, you just have to play your video and do your thing. And you may be asking, is embedding your video possible? Yes, it is. All you gotta do is player/embed. It says I don't have really other styles right now. You're just gonna delete this and put and then question. Backspace back 2015. Style/question 2015. And what it should do is should bring up your bed. And yes, I got this from a Wayback Machine. It was on a thing asking me for Adobe Flash Player, but I fixed it. So what I did is I put the Swift object file in my domain, my GitHub domain, and this came up. You can play a video.
Hi, my name is Julie and I like to make rounded videos out of Little Bill.
See, here's your video player. You can put it on full screen. You can basically record your video with a screen recorder. You got this old wide thing. And if I show you the source code, let me feel it first. If I show you my source code for the HTML, if I copy it, if you want it, then here you go. You just copy all this. Yeah, see, all this is just movie owner, movie ID, the API server. So yeah, and your script. I have no idea why this happens, but it still works for some reason, but maybe it's gonna require Google Analytics. I didn't know what I was coming to, but don't worry, I fixed it. Got a Swift object. And don't worry, this shouldn't get deleted as long as it stays on it. Shouldn't get deleted. You got a test. So if you basically want to embed your video, then that's fine.
Hi.
I'll be making other styles of it soon. I'll be making other styles. Just so you know. I'll be making other styles of this embed. So yeah, if you want to use the embed, that's fine. It probably won't work anyways because this is Heroku app. If you want to log out, that works too. And if you remove the arrow, it will just do that, proving that it works. And if you want to use a password, you have to go to sign up as usual. If you have a virtual video maker, that's not a problem. You can just do loading, and we will direct you to change theme. Yeah, just basically all that. And to be honest, this is kind of like the old Grammy 2007 homepage. This is kind of like it. So if you want to embed this entire thing on your site, then that's fine. It would be like the old Grammy Studio anyways. Because of how cool this thing is, you can put backgrounds, you can do characters, and for voices, you're going to have to do the Swift ID. I'll show you how you can do it. You have to put in Swift ID equals 857, and that should add the voices to your video. And this is still retro, so don't get me in mind here, this is still retro. Except it changed a couple of things. Yep, see, you got your character, you can add your voice on here. Yeah, you can just basically do all that blah blah blah.
BGFHBHG.
Yeah, there's all the Karen voices. And some old music here works too. This is just some old sound. And if you want to save a video, you just click save. You can type anything. Just click save over here. And what that'll do is it will save your video for you. If you want to preview, you just press preview. And if you change the Swift ID, it'll also change the player. So I want you all to be aware of that. So yeah. If your old port window's not there, so that's bad news. And we all want to see the old video player working, and here it is. Just hold up and let me do a thing here. And to be honest, it really kind of looks like Grammy 2007. Where it like just does that. See, here's the... Oh, it's just the same player. I don't know why. But okay. See, you can show us on Facebook, show on Twitter. You create your animation. Embed. Honestly, I don't support Swift Embed, so I'm not sure why that's fair. But if you do and Swift ID equals 13 or an older number, they will show the really old player. If you do 16, no, that just shows for 2007, which won't even work.